Your phone holds 10,000 photos. But what if they could tell you what they see? Computer vision turns pixels into profit. Every day we create 2.5 quintillion bytes of data, and 90% is visual. Yet most businesses treat images like digital dust. Computer vision changes everything by teaching machines to see patterns invisible to the human eye. What it actually does: detects anomalies in medical scans, e.g., tumors, 30% faster than radiologists; counts crowds in retail stores to optimize staffing monitors; crop health via satellite imagery; prevents accidents with real-time object detection for self-driving cars. Real business impact: a fashion retailer used it to analyze social media images. 27% sales boost by spotting microtrends. Farmers reduced water waste by 40% using drone imagery plus AI analysis. Manufacturers cut defects by 62% with automated quality control. Why this matters now: with smartphone cameras and affordable sensors, computer vision isn't just for tech giants. Small businesses use free tools like Google Vision API to automate inventory tracking, analyze customer emotions and feedback videos, turn user-generated content into market research. The future is visual intelligence, and it's accessible today. Comment Vision for my free toolkit. 5 no-code computer vision tools you can test this weekend.